Kevin, right?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Assetara office. Come on in, bro.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a second, Vin. Let me get things set up first.
Okay, sure, sir.
Hey, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by the office.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir.
2 weeks ago, we just launched, just had our opening, and as it turns out, the response has been pretty great.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
By the way, what are you busy with these days, bro?
Well, lately I've just been busy making content, but focusing on Web3.
Web3. Wow, what a perfect coincidence.
Right, yeah, it fits perfectly with what we're discussing today.
By the way, have you ever heard of Assetara before?
Actually, not yet, sir. But we can get into that when we discuss it.
As it happens, the brand ambassador for Assetara Indonesia is me. So let's try to go into a bit of detail about what Assetara actually is.
Sure, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Let's get started, Vin.
Yeah.
So this is our company profile, Vin.
Oh, okay.
Speed without control is simply a risk. When it becomes an obsession, the cost of the error varies. The market continues to move. The only question is, who's in charge? You or him? Assetara isn't just another trading tool. It's a system that works as long as you're alive.
This is our edge, Vin. So we use AI for our trading, and we actually developed the AI ourselves.
It never sleeps. Real-time algorithmic trading. AI analyzes hundreds of market signals, forecasts volatility, and automatically allocates capital across trading levels. Profits come from actual trading, not from get-rich-quick schemes. We're not asking you to take our word for it. 3 of 5 multi-signature escrow logic.
Ini
External
buat
smart contract
biar
audits.
lebih aman
No
aja
one
sih.
can withdraw funds on their own. Not a single person. Every transaction is on the blockchain, public, forever. ASRA isn't just a token.
So our token is called Astra, Vin. Astra.
AI
The
trading.
platform is called Assetara, and the token is Astra. I'll explain this in more detail later.
You join, the greater the growth potential. Investing no longer requires stress, experience, or constant monitoring. This infrastructure is designed for everyone from beginners to institutional investors. Assetara, your capital, AI optimized, blockchain secured.
Okay. And this is our CEO, Hendrik Lan.
Hello, I'm Henrik, CEO of Assetara. Thank you for joining us. Assetara is a platform where we provide AI analytics and blockchain to make capital work smarter, more transparently, and more secure. Our goal is to provide investors with institutional grade tools, clear products, risk management, and transparent answers. Technologically, it is a modular architecture with medium capacity stack. Smart contract through external audits. The portfolio includes pure wallet, staking, tools, AI strategies, and clear yield analytics. We are preparing the ICO of our passwords. The utility missions, staking, early participants will have access to ecosystem features.
So earlier that was our CEO. So why is this Bitcoin thing in Indonesia such a hot topic right now?
Yeah, absolutely.
Nah, kemudian makanya kalau di Islam juga ada yang namanya kami iya kemudian perkembangannya orang mulai menggunakan rekor karena masih tidak masih lebih gampang kita bawa barang sekilo dan berapa sekilo. Karena pasti pada banget gitu kan. Makanya kalau orang mau beli emas pakai emas kiloan kan dulu kan susah. Makanya mungkin orang lagi di sistem ini. Jadi deh emas ini saya titipin ke perusahaan. Perusahaan bikin surat garansi bahwa kertas ini senilai dengan emas. Terus masa di mana enggak mengeluarkan uang jaminan dari emas yang dititipkan. Kan pertama kali uang kertas itu seperti itu. Tapi lama kelamaan akhirnya bank merasa ngapain saya nunggu orang dititipin emas, saya langsung bikin surat garansi aja. Akhirnya mulai dibulat lah.
So back in the day, trade was done through bartering. Like
Yeah.
you have something, I have something, and we
Yeah.
up until recently, where digital currency was backed by gold, and now we have blockchain technology.
Akhirnya ekonomi saya mulai stabil karena ekonomi mulai overheating. Makin malas kan? Karena inflasi kan selalu meningkat terus-terusan. Bukannya melambat, malah mempercepat. Makin cepat. Bahkan kita nggak bicara Indonesia lah, kita bicara di US pun orang merasa uang kertas US itu makin hilang. Kalau pada saat tidak stabil seperti ini, ya ini adalah masa di mana orang akan mencari aset yang bisa dipercaya. Pilihannya nggak banyak, kota ini pilihannya nggak banyak. Kenapa? Karena aset yang bisa dipercaya itu adalah aset yang nggak terhubung dengan ekonomi yang ada. Pilihannya cuma emas, koin. Apalagi itu, emas mewakili komoditas. Iya, Bitcoin sendiri juga kan sekarang ini komoditas. Atau gobloknya ya, malah sebenarnya orang itu megang minyak goreng lebih baik daripada megang uang kertas. Itu statement Anda berbahaya sekali. Oh ya, benar ya. Kenapa? Karena harga minyak goreng akan terus naik.
So that's our CEO, and this is our co-founder, Mr. Richard.
We combine AI analytics, blockchain infrastructure to build a transparent, scalable investment platform designed for long-term growth.
Hello, I oversee AI architecture and platform infrastructure at Assetara. Our systems process real-time market data and execute strategies with speed and security.
This is Mrs. Leona. She handled marketing and community, and then we have Kevin Chen, engineer.
Nice to meet you. I am Leona Gray, Chief Marketing Officer at Assetara. My mission is to make our platform speak your language.
Hello, I'm Kevin Chen, blockchain engineer at Assetara. I'm responsible for smart contracts and security.
So that's pretty much what Asetara is about. Let's go ahead and demo the website and the platform, okay? Just a sec, bro.
Yeah, sure.
So this is basically what our website looks like. So Assetara.ai looks like this, just a standard company website. So the sitemap has company, platform, security, roadmap. You can just click around yourself later.
Okay.
So earlier I sent Kevin the referral link and you've already tried registering, right? Now, after registering, this is what it looks like, Vin. So this is our website interface. The menu, this is the wallet, and this is the send and receive. And then there's the dashboard. We have the wallet, portfolio, and transactions. So I want to demo this. So we have token staking and betting. So I want to demo this, Kevin. Why is Assetara different from like other coins? Because we have AI. So I want to try and demo the AI to Kevin. So this deposit is similar to if Kevin goes to an Indonesian bank like BCA or any bank and opens a deposit.
So this is what a typical Assetara deposit looks like, Vin. We have different levels: starter, flux, pro, ASRA, and enterprise. Now, why did the founders of Assetara come up with this idea? Well, they noticed that to start investing, you usually need a lot of capital. So they wanted to make it so that with our starter level, you can start investing with just $10, bro. Now, that's a real innovation. So if you guys want to try investing, you're not limited by thinking, oh, I need this much capital before I can invest.
even with the smallest amount, $10, you can do it.
Yeah.
So let me demo the AI for you. Let's try the $10 one, Vin.
Okay, sounds good, sir.
So this amount is $10. The amount is $10. Then this extension period is how long you want to deposit it for. There's times 1 to times 5. Now times 1 is 28 days. Then times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. So the higher this is, the higher the return, the profit will be, Vin.
Oh, okay.
Let's try to demo it, okay?
Sure. Go ahead, sir.
We'll lock this in at 28 days. Then how much do you want to try first? Kevin, you choose. You can max it out or
Maybe just times 3.
times 3, right? Okay. So a deposit of 10, we lock it at times 3. Then this accrual is the profit. The great thing about Assetara is because it has AI, you don't have to keep watching it like other trading in Forex, stocks, or gold, where you have to watch, oh, the chart is going up, the chart is going down, like that. Because we use AI, we deposit this much, extension period this much, the profit is guaranteed, Vin. Guaranteed profit, you get this much. Now, for the profit, the accrual, Kevin, if you want to take it daily, you can, weekly, you can, or at the end of the period. Which one do you want to test?
Let's try weekly. Yeah.
Weekly, right? Okay. Ini kan US. Nah, Kevin has 10 in capital.
Yeah.
With the settings from earlier, the AI settings, because this is prompt based. And the AI manages the market's ups and downs.
Okay.
The profit is almost double, Vin. So at the end of your deposit period, you'll get $9.9. Correct, bro? Nah, another difference is there's a compounding element too.
Yeah.
So with compounding, the weekly profit can be reinvested at 25%, 50%, 75 or 100. That way, the profit keeps growing, Vin.
Oh, okay.
What percentage do you want to try compounding at?
So what should it be? So I hash rate for 100%.
100. So, Vin, 14.
Oh.
Basically reach like gini ya. Dengan capital modal 10, depositonya dikunci 84 hari. The extra bonus is this much, the accrual is this much. The estimated profit is 14. Pretty cool, right? So you don't have to keep watching this chart go up and down because the AI handles all of it here. Now that was for the deposit. This is a ledger. So this is like the bank statement, Vin.
Oh.
So the approval went through today.
Yeah.
This is definitely recorded, bro. So the look of the platform itself, the UI UX is already like really friendly and easy to navigate. So Vin, that's basically the demo of the platform, the website, and the people behind Asetara. What do you think, Vin?
Okay, well, it's interesting. I do have a few questions, but maybe we can discuss them if you have some time, sir. We can go over them later.
Actually, I have some time now. Maybe we can sit down and just chat casually.
Sure, sounds good, sir.
After you, Vin.
Okay.